Get it? Text a message, I don't know the number. Flexing on these niggas.
What's up, guys?
We look naked.
What's up, guys?
Yeah.
We're not.
Anyway, the weather was like, nah.
Hell no. To the no.
You guys aren't going to the beach today, so we're just eating lunch. Hey guys, it's Monday, and we planned on going to the beach today, but because of Tropical Storm Gordon, we couldn't do that.
Now I run for that money, I got that green, yeah. I'm gunning for that G, yeah, that G, yeah. I'll run out with your honey, she out of me, yeah.
What's up, guys? I'm at home now with my boy, Kona. Yeah, that was gross. Anyway, me and Regan are just chilling. She's over there. She doesn't want me to film her for some reason, so I'm not gonna film her, but she can still talk.
Hey guys.
Yeah, she's here. So, forgot to tell you guys that yesterday we went and saw the best movie in the entire world.
That was the worst movie I've ever seen in my life.
Nice.
No.
Yes.
No.
It's called.
No.
What was it called? Happy Time Murders. That shit's funny. It's funny.
It's horrible.
It's funny.
It's so bad.
It's a funny movie. It's pretty funny. But you guys should see that.
Conan brought all of his toys. So I think he's trying to tell me something. Are you trying to tell me something? Are you trying to tell me something? Yeah. You won. You got the toy. You got the toy. Good job. Good job, buddy.
Yeah, but anyway, guys, that's it for this vlog. I'll see you guys next week. Make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe button, please, because I have like 0 subscribers and I need more. So.